Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's session is about how to crack CUET PG. CUET stands for Common University Entrance Test. So this is a test that is useful for Parul University and many other Baba Saheb Ambedkar, very renowned universities. They accept the scores of CUET PG including IIT. So CUET PG is extremely important exam. So today I have my CUET PG score of 287, which has been highest till now in pharmacy. So today we are going to discuss the procedure. Speaking about the procedure, it's nothing complex. There is first step is form filling, then comes the entrance exam, which is a computer based test, CBT, and then finally the counseling rounds. Next up we have is the mode of examination. It is a computer based examination. Language is English as well as Hindi. The duration is of 2 hours. So there are 100 questions and each question carries 4 marks each if it's right and -1 if it's wrong. So total marks is 400. And there are 2 sections in the paper, section A and section B. So in section A, you basically have verbal question, comprehension ability, general knowledge. So I have a video upon this, that what are the different kinds of verbal ability, general knowledge questions, or aptitude, logical reasoning. So you can definitely go through the recording. I'll be sharing the link in the description section. In the section B, we have domain specific questions. So in domain specific questions, basically you have, suppose if it's pharmacy. So pharmacy category, there will be a few questions, and those questions will be of allied subjects related to pharmacy like microbiology, biotech, biochem, ecology, cognosy, zootics, chemistry, etc. If it's engineering, so for engineering, if it's humanities, so certain things related to humanities. So section B will be your domain specific. Now here, if we see the number of questions, it is 25 in section A, which makes a total of 100 marks, and the remaining 300 marks are from your section B, which makes a total of 400 marks. So 75 questions which are domain specific, you need to target them. And if you want a rank, you need to score well over here. You need to score well in section A. Qualifying marks, it is said that if it's a 200 plus score out of 400, it's said to be a good score and you can get into any university. If you're prepared for GPAT, you're gonna crack CUET for sure. That's definitely gonna happen. You need to have your basics clear. That is very, very essential. Your basics should be clear, because CUET is like up semester ke exam likh rahe ho, it's similar to that. It gives you that feeling. It's not that difficult at all. Cognosy, ecology, zootics, chemistry, microbiology, biotech, and biochemistry. These are few of the subjects from which question has to appear. So please make sure that these subjects you have done it thoroughly and well. Next, this is a slide whereby it represents the different universities that are coming under this particular CUET. So Mewar University, which is very important and very well known. Galgotia's University, which is in Delhi, Greater Noida. Dr. Hari Singh Gaur University, which is Sagar University, the best university of Madhya Pradesh. Central University of Haryana. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which is AKTU, and it is in Lucknow. And Gurukul Kangri Vishwavidyalaya, which is in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. So these are few of the important universities that are accepting the CUET scores. Here you can see the